Empower is a cash advance and financial tracking app that gives eligible users access to small advances based on income patterns instead of traditional credit checks. By the end, you'll know how Empower actually works, what it costs, and whether it makes sense compared to other cash advance apps in 2026. Start with how Empower decides who gets money. Empower does not treat users like a traditional loan application. Instead, it looks at income deposits and account activity to decide eligibility for cash advances. That means your approval depends more on how money moves in your bank account than your credit score. Now explain how the cash advance works. If you qualify, Empower lets you access a portion of money before your next paycheck arrives. That money is then repaid automatically when your income hits your account. So the system is built around paycheck timing, not long-term borrowing. Now explain the key feature users care about. The main benefit is speed. Instead of waiting for bank approvals or credit checks, eligible users can get funds quickly based on account activity. Now move into the cost side. Empower typically operates on a subscription-style model for access to its features, plus optional fees depending on how fast you want funds transferred. That means the total cost depends on how often you use the cash advance feature and how quickly you need the money. Now explain the biggest limitation. Empower does not guarantee approval for every user. If your income is inconsistent or your account does not show regular deposits, you may not qualify for advances at all. Now explain who it is actually for. Empower is most useful for people with steady direct deposits who occasionally need early access to money between paychecks. It is less useful for people trying to fix ongoing cash flow problems because it is designed for short-term gaps, not long-term budgeting fixes. Now give a simple breakdown of pros and cons. The main advantage is fast access to cash without credit checks. The main drawback is cost and eligibility limits based on income activity. Now summarize the key points. Empower gives cash advances based on income activity, not credit. It charges fees depending on usage and transfer speed. And it works best for short-term cash gaps, not ongoing financial issues. One practical next step, Before using Empower, check your bank deposit history inside the app's setup process, because that determines whether you will actually qualify for advances. Like and subscribe for clear breakdowns of finance apps without confusion or hidden details.